like a guy, you could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, or good afternoon whenever you're seeing this. But I'm very excited to take you guys along with me to a productive day in my life. I have a lot to do in my to-do list, so I already actually broke that down and I put just like the top 3 goals I need to get done, as well as all the other things I need to do. So it's kind of a lot, so that's why I kind of wanted to bring you guys with me. It is also Monday, so it's a great time to kind of reset, recharge, and kind of set the tone for the rest of the week, which is so great. And I also made myself some coffee. As you can already see, I'm a big coffee person. I love coffee. Like, coffee is a life, so made that. And then I also made my bed this morning, and that just again sets the tone for the day. So we're already off to a great start, and we're gonna keep it going. So the next thing I'm planning to do is to go to the gym. I've been really wanting to try the 12-3-30 workout, which basically you go on an incline of 12, you walk 3 miles per hour for 30 minutes, and apparently it's like really good. Well, I really want to give that a try, and then I also want to do like a little bit of abs because summer is coming, and you know, you want to look a little bit better for summer. So we're gonna go get ready for that and just take you guys along for the rest of my day. So I just came back from the gym and I am starving, so I just made myself like a little avocado toast with salmon. I had salmon, so I decided to put a little salmon on top, and I also topped it with a little bit of red chili flakes. I don't know, I feel like I've never done this combo, but it looks good, and I was kind of just like craving it, and I'm really hungry, so I'm just gonna eat this and relax a little before I hop into the shower. So yeah, and also the workout was like really good. The 12-3-30 or however you say it workout was like so good. I was sweating by the end, and I want to do it more often because I want to be able to walk more. So definitely gonna keep doing that. And yeah. Okay, so I'm out of the shower, so excuse my wet hair and bare face, but I quickly wanted to show you my skincare routine. And I do have more of like a normal to dry skin, so that's kind of what I'm going to be showing you, but I think it's pretty good and I really love it, so just wanted to share. Okay, so starting off with the first thing, I use the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, and I personally really love it because I feel like it's so simple and it's also like not expensive at all. Next, I really like this Niacinamide plus Zinc Serum from The Ordinary, and I just put like 1 to 2 drops, and it just feels so good. I feel like it relieves any redness I have, and it also just takes away any like blemishes, like any dark spots. It just really helps with that, so I personally love it. After that, I really like this Glow Key Brightening Vitamin C Serum, and this one I just put it underneath my eye bag. It did come with an applicator, but I personally just like putting it with my finger. I think it's just like easier, and this just brightens up underneath your eye. It has vitamin C, which gives it that like glowing effect, so I personally really love that. Then for the cream, I use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, and I personally really like this cream. It's super hydrating, and I put quite a lot. I just make sure I put it everywhere in my face, and then I also like putting it on my neck and my hands as well. Next is probably like the most important step, and I feel like a lot of people forget this step, but it is sunscreen, and I use the Ulta MD sunscreen, and this has SPF 46, which I feel like it's pretty good. So I just put a little bit and put it on my skin. And this is very important because even though I don't step outside that much, it's still very important to put sunscreen on because you can still get the UV rays from your window. Then finally, I just like moisturizing my lips, and I use this apple butter lip mask by the brand Noni. It was one of those things I randomly got, but I honestly really loved. Put a little bit on and I put it all over my lips, and it just makes my lips super moisturized and it feels really good. But that is pretty much it. I feel like it's pretty simple, but it's still like a good routine, and I've been loving it lately, so I just wanted to share with you guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean my closet because look at this mess, and this just looks like really horrible. I am bound for a closet clean out. I'm gonna clean out, it's mostly just the bottom. The top is like fine, but I am gonna clean it out. Actually, no, the top is not fine. Look at this mess. But this is the before, and let me show you this part too. It's just like not pretty. So I'm gonna clean my closet out and I'll show you how it looks like after. Okay, so this is kind of like all the clothes I had in my closet, which honestly I'm surprised is not like that much because, to be honest, I like to do these like closet cleanouts like pretty often, honestly, like at least once a month. So usually how I go about these closet cleanups is that I separate my clothes into 3 piles, which is one, what I want to keep, what I want to donate, and what I want to sell on Poshmark. So that's kind of what I'm going to do right now. I'm guessing most of it I'm going to want to keep, but I don't know, I might be surprised. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will show you the results. Okay, so this is how it ended up. I am obviously keeping like most of it, and then this is what I'm gonna donate, and then this is what I'm gonna sell, just this pile. So really glad that I made that. Now I'm just gonna like kind of like separate it into different categories. Like I've been doing this with skirts, etc. And then put it back into my closet. Oh, also I forgot that I did laundry, so I just quickly went ahead and took it out of laundry, and I kind of like folded it, but I'm gonna make sure I fold it completely and put it back as well. So yeah, now it's time to actually put everything away and make sure that it all looks nice and neat, ready for the week. Love cleaning out my closet. It just makes me feel so good, so really happy about that. And then now I'm going to be putting my clothes that I want to sell into Poshmark. I've been doing Poshmark since like forever, so if you're interested in buying any of the clothes that I had in my closet, then make sure to go to the link down below, and I will link it in my description. And then after that, I just have cleaning left to do, and that's pretty much like the main things that I wanted to get done today. I also wanted to get some work done if I had time, but it wasn't like I needed to do that, if that made sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I will catch up with you later. Okay, so this is pretty much the final thing I need to get done, which is clean the kitchen. Basically, I want to put the dishes away, clean, I only have one dish, but clean this up, clean the countertops, and make this look prettier and make this look prettier. So let's get to it. All done, and here is the after, which looks so much better, and it just makes my room feel so much cleaner and nicer, so I love it.
Then ending this vlog, it was already 6:40, so I just ended up doing some laptop work, so that just meant some side work and answering emails. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I really hope this was motivating and really that you took something away from this, but that's pretty much it for this video, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!